Draw the left side of the heart. Now mirror it on the right. Add a shiny highlight. Shoot an arrow through it. Finish with little hearts floating up. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Last of all, write the name. H-E-A-R-T. Yay! All done!